Alright, so I did something that I said I probably wasn't gonna do, but I wanted to try it. What you're about to see is definitely not, it's probably gonna come straight back down, and I just wanted to give it a try. But 3, 2, 1. Yup. This is my 42-inch Alaska GE vent ceiling fan from September of 1987 in white and brass. This one is manufactured by Sheng Yuan. I've got it installed, just rigged up on the bottom of the beam here in the mechanical room. And as you can see, as I said before, it looks very stupid there, so it's coming back down, but I just wanted to do a video of it, do it for curiosity. I just took the light off just to give it a different look. There's the parts in it, and the globe, and the light kit, and the other stuff. But we will go ahead and start it out on low. I don't have my tripod. Oh, I have my tripod, but I don't have the adapter, so we're kneeling on the floor. Turn this light off, it's causing a strobe. Is that better? Actually, I can like with it on now. It's one of my light line fixtures. I just screwed it up on right back here. Just plugs into this extension cord that the previous owners literally rigged up. Runs all the way from the panel plug here, and then it is stapled up over to here to plug the sump pump in. So this is the light, and then I've got the fan just on this cord, as you can see. Feel it moving here. It's literally at eye level. Like where the blades are, it's like my whole head is above the motor housing. If you can see that. And I know people are gonna be, yeah, this isn't staying here. I like it, but it's completely unnecessary. It does not need to be here. So I wanted to try it. So, but who knows, maybe this little spot here can become like a testing spot for fans, maybe. Not that I have many fans, but you never know. So, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys later with the next video. Bye.